We're getting you the latest visuals coming in from Budgam, where an encounter is taking place. Reportedly, 2 terrorists have been gunned down in this encounter that's taking place right now. Search operations are still continuing. Our forces are yet to retrieve the bodies of the terrorists who have been killed. But we are told at this point that the operation is still on. Zeenath is joining us live with more details on the story. Zeenath, what are the latest updates you're picking up on the encounter?
Yes, Akshita, the encounter is underway, the gunfight is underway, and the gunshots can be heard from here, from the encounter spot. We are live from the encounter spot. You can see the kind of snow. It's going on heavily snowing here, and you can see the additional reinforcement that rushed here. So far, the 3 militants are trapped. That is what we are picking. But initially, there were also the reports that the 2 militants were gunned down by the security forces because it's an operation of 53RR along with the CRPF and SOG Budgam. But the bodies are yet to be retrieved. But despite bracing all the chilly weathers, the security forces from SOG Budgam to 53RR and the CRPF are taking every challenge to see that all the militants are neutralized. This was the firefight actually began around 9 o'clock in the morning. The CASO was launched, getting the credible leads that the militants are hiding in one of the caves. And there was also a retaliation fire from the militant side that was coming from the cave, and that took the shape of an encounter since 9 a.m. The encounter is underway, and despite all the chilly weathers, the security forces are up. They are highly alert that there shouldn't be any fire coming from the outer quarter, but this is one of the areas of the Char-e-Sharif called Hapat Nala, where the encounter is at present on.
Zeenath getting us this live report from where the encounter is taking place, and also Zeenath, we are hearing at this point that 2 terrorists have been gunned down. If you could give us a sense of exactly how this encounter happened, because we understand that our forces have managed to corner the terrorists. They are confined to a very restricted area, but as we can see also, weather is a bit of a challenge for our forces in this operation.
Absolutely, it is freezing almost here. Weather is a big challenge for the security forces, as my DJ can show you the actual situation on ground and how heavily it is snowing here.
So was launched by the security forces of 53RR along with the SOG Budgam and also the CRPF. And when the security forces zeroed into a particular spot, the hiding militants fired towards the security forces, triggering an encounter. Initial reports are that the 2 militants have been neutralized, but the bodies are yet to be retrieved because the encounter is on as the firefight is on. So far, the encounter is on under the reports that the 3 militants were trapped in a particular cave.
All right, Zeenath, thanks for joining us with that live report from the encounter site. The encounter is still underway, as Zeenath reports for us. Reportedly, 2 terrorists have been gunned down, but bodies are yet to be retrieved. So no confirmation really coming in from our forces on that.